timing.
Okay.
We can check the ignition leads. Got it though. Mag.
Okay.
I guess we could put them all.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all.
Which one did you pull first?
Just not one to sit flush on it. It doesn't look that bad in there. It's a little lead in there, but
I don't see anything between the electrode to ground it.
Hey, kitty.
Yeah, this little fucky.
That would be your mag problem.
Bad plugs.
Yeah, I'll clean them up and get them put back in.
Sweet.
Yep.
Thanks, man.
That oil. Ready?
100.
Huh?
100.
Alright. And we got a right.
Yeah,
100. Hey, AC boy.